Hey, welcome to Brains Pump for 14th August 2024 Current Affairs. What is the primary focus of the Anusandhan National Research Foundation, ANF, announced in the 2024 budget? Option A, Infrastructure Development. B, Basic Research and Prototype Development. C, Public Health Initiatives. D, Environmental Conservation. Answer B, Basic Research and Prototype Development. Which sector is expected to contribute 72% of the funding for the ANF? Option A, Government. B, Non-Governmental Organizations, NGOs. C, Private Sector. D, International Agencies. Answer C, Private Sector. What recent development in contraceptive choices in India was highlighted in 14th August 2024 edition? Option A, Introduction of male contraceptive pills. B, Inclusion of levonorgestrel 1.5 mg in the National List of Essential Medicines, NLEM. C, Ban on certain contraceptive methods. D, New policies against emergency contraceptives. Answer B, Inclusion of levonorgestrel 1.5 mg in the National List of Essential Medicines, NLEM. Which country was compared to India in terms of investment in science research in the editorial? Option A, United States. B, South Korea. C, China. D, Germany. Answer B, South Korea. What is the Indian government's current expenditure on science research as a percentage of GDP? Option A, 1.5% to 2%. B, 0.6% to 0.7%. C, 3% to 4%. D, 2% to 3%. Answer B, 0.6% to 0.7%. What was the focus of the editorial related to public universities in India? Option A, Expansion of university campuses. B, Increasing political and ideological intervention. C, Development of sports infrastructure. D, Privatization of universities. Answer B, Increasing political and ideological intervention. Which recent technological advancement in family planning was mentioned? Option A, Male contraceptive injections. B, Subdermal single rod implants. C, Permanent sterilization techniques. D, Hormone-based contraception for men. Answer B, Subdermal single rod implants. The growing role of which sector in providing family planning services was emphasized? Option A, Government sector. B, Public sector. C, Private sector. D, International organizations. Answer C, Private sector. What concern was raised about the corporatization of scientific research in India? Option A, Lack of skilled researchers. B, Decline in curiosity-driven research. C, Increased government funding. D, Over-reliance on foreign technology. Answer B, Decline in curiosity-driven research. Which emergency contraceptive method saw a significant increase in use in India? Option A, diaphragms. B, hormonal patches. C. Oral emergency contraceptive pills, ECPs. D. Intrauterine devices, IUDs. Answer C. Oral emergency contraceptive pills, ECPs. Subscribe Brains Pump for learn more.